Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video it's just a little infrastructure build for my new shop, and it's all about lighting. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So this here is going to be my new workspace. Yeah. Normally I use, and I will use them also, are these LED panels, one here. But I also want lighting up here and here, and on the other side too. So for this I will use this aluminum piece here I had laying around. I will cut this in 4 pieces. Then I'm going to glue this here, this LED strip. So this video is mostly, I will show you what I'm going to do. Then I show you when I'm finished, because yeah, I still have no electricity and the space is pretty cramped, so yeah. So first I will cut this in 4 pieces, and when I'm done I will report back to you. So now I have roughly 4 exact pieces. Yeah. So that's the first step. So I will drill holes here. I think I only drill 2. And then in here I will tap it for M3 screws. Yeah. Let's see how that goes. So now I drilled the holes here and here and then in here. I tap this for M3 screws. Yes. So now I can attach this. I will do this with all the rest. On the back side I'm not sure, because yeah, I have to tap in here. I do not have a lot of space. Yeah, I have to see how I do this here, but yeah. So now this is the test fit. Yeah, pretty good. And here, HR means in German hinten rechts, it's back right, back left, so yeah. Okay, and here on the front, the back ones are screwed from the top, so yeah. Okay, so everything fits. Next thing is to cut the LED strip and put it on this aluminum profile here. Yeah, that's what I do next. And for wiring I will use like little connectors to put from one side to another, so yeah. Okay, so now I connected all the LED strips here, and I think the aluminum will do a good job to disperse all the heat, so I think they will last longer than normal. I already installed these here, you see, and these. Yeah, I will now do the other 2, and then I'll test it and I show you the test, and then yeah, I think this will conclude the video. So guys, now I'm finished. I have here to test. It's like an accu for my power drill. And you see that's without, that's with the light. And I think it, oh, yeah, that's not the proper way to test it, but that's my only 12 volt source. So yeah, I really want to get rid of all the shadows, so I want to have as much light sources as I can get. So yeah. So this really was a fun little project. If you want to see more builds from my new shop, then yeah, write in the comments section down below. I am very happy to share it with you. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. You know the drill. But if you liked it, consider subscribing if you haven't already. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.